Next, let's talk about the soundbar, because this soundbar is really cool. Let's actually go back to the soundbar. Razer Leviathan V2. So the THX spatial audio, that's really cool. That's one of the big things that's new about this soundbar. I want to be very clear about 7.1, however. Okay, it says our advanced 7.1 surround sound delivers audio with pinpoint accuracy, allowing for more realistic and detailed soundstage that makes your movies, games, and music truly come alive. Virtual surround sound, which is what this is, can sound really, really good. However, calling something 7.1 surround sound that is all marketing. That is 100% marketing, because unless you have 7 speakers and a subwoofer, which is your 0.1, you don't have true 7.1 surround sound. It's virtual surround sound, which I don't know if they actually make that clear. I mean, if you know anything about speakers, then you're like, well, it's virtual. Yeah, but just for everyone else out there, I'm not saying that this soundbar doesn't sound good. It could sound amazing, but again, marketing, 7.1. It's not real. It's not real 7.1 surround, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Calling it 7.1 surround without clarifying that it's virtual is a little weird.